Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing this Merkur Futur. I got this one from Original Shave Company, and I want to say thank you to Jeffrey Smith and Shaving with Peg Leg, because they both linked links in their videos to where to get this razor, and it was a heck of a deal. I've actually been saving for this version because I expected this to spend a lot more than I did, which was $40 altogether. That was the shipping and all that. That's awesome. So I'll unbox this. I got the Q Shave razor in the back right there just to, I'll do a quick comparison because I'm curious. Everybody talks how the quality is so much better. It came box nice, paper, wrapped in paper good, instead of peanuts, which are a pain, or them airbags like Amazon does. So let's I'll open it up here. Let's see how does this come out. Okay. Now they gave me a blade. Oh wow, I can already tell this thing has got some weight to it. Inscribed Merkur, Germany. Let's try out the, I'll do the adjustments here in a second. Oh my God, that top cap, the quality is just so much nicer on this. Oh, and look, it's got a rectangle there and a rectangle there, so you know which way the cap goes. No play. Try the numbers. Oh, night and day. No slop at the top. Oh man, this is nice. The weight is it weighs more than this. The construction is 10 times better. This is easy to take off. It's got, at the higher settings, you can hear it. Nothing with this. This is nice. This is definitely worth $40 all day long. Now, I'm going to see something. I'm very curious if this will work. No, it won't. So if you have the Q Shave stand, it will not work with the Merkur Futur. So, also came with a blade. What is it? It is a Merkur Super stainless platinum coated. I won't be using that for my first shave. I'll be using the Gillette Platinum. Instructions. Awesome. 1 through 6. Oh, 1 through 6. So this doesn't have the 0.5. Let's take a look real quick. No, it doesn't. It just goes 1 through 6. Whereas this one goes 0.5 all the way through 6. So, alright, I won't keep you guys. I will have a shave-in review. I'm going to clean this up because I sanitize even new razors. I sanitize them and I oil them up. So I will have a review up for you guys Saturday with this one. Alright, hope you guys have a great rest of your week. I'll see you guys Saturday, and happy shaves, and thank you for watching.